Charlie, you got to hit that again.
You gotta hit it one more time.
There you go.
There you go, Charlie. You get paid. All right. So we're gonna look at some pretty cool Legos and stuff like that. Is that cool? All right. So we're showing you all the brand new series of the Evolution Wand and the RX-20. We're at Mason's Gadget Corner. Who goes here? So if you need anything, please contact them.
Come down. They even have beers.
And I bought all the water you want to drink is on me. Anyways, so this is one of them. It's our brand new stair tool. On top of the stair tool, we have another one, an upholstery tool. Have you seen that, Hugo?
Let me check it out.
Okay. And we have the two. Hey, Bruce. We have the 6-inch, 2-inch, and our 6-jet 2-inch. What do you have?
1.5 inch, 2-jet. People love it. It glides.
Come on close. We got the brand new RX-20. You want to demo it for me?
Yeah.
It has 3 big new features besides a price point that's $800 less. The block, easier to adjust. You can also take this off and vacuum the corners.
Wow, one hand.
One hand.
But everybody does love the price.
And then we changed it to a pigtail because I didn't want to grow it out too much, pigtails. But the pigtail so the cord doesn't get all tangled up. I think that's a really nice feature. But it's really awesome. We changed the wheels, so now the wheels, instead of having the grooves, it's flat so it doesn't bring you gravel. What do you think? Okay.
Thumbs up, buddy.
Thumbs up. Let's say it at the same time, Charlie. Hydromaster rocks. That's a good bet.